Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hi,
Well-
Dr. Nick.
Oh, hi, Dr. Nick. Welcome to another episode of The Days of Our Lives. The saga continues. Just kidding. So, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the description, we are doing,
Chicago
eating
dogs.
some Chicago dogs.
Homemade.
They sounded really good and easy. And let's eat, because I'm hungry.
She's hungry, folks.
Thank you, sir.
We got Hebrew National. Gotta always, I think most people enjoy the Hebrew. I think, I don't know. I don't know. Do people still eat ballpark? Is that a thing?
I think people still eat Coronado wieners, Eric.
I mean, those were the days, but why keep eating them?
I don't know. My uncle would always buy them and feed them to the roadrunners.
Really?
Huh?
I've never said that before.
Yeah, that's why, like, every time I see a roadrunner, I think of him.
I didn't know that was why.
Because he would always purposely buy the Coronado wieners. And he would
mustard?
feed
We're going to talk about toppings.
toppings, putting some relish, sweet relish.
We don't have none of like the neon green authentic Chicago dog relish, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Tomatoes, tomatoes. Looks like I'm just gonna have to put everything on this side. My mouth is watering. See, coming along nicely. I did that. Let's do this.
I did that.
I like a lot of mustard. Let's move this closer, shall we?
Ah, that might work.
So as I talked about in the Sonic video, I like the peppers from Sonic that they put in their Chicago dags.
Actual sport peppers. Seems like we can never find them. Where would we find them at one time? World Market?
Yeah.
I don't know.
They're really hard to find in the grocery stores.
Can't just buy them anywhere. It's weird.
I don't know, maybe it's like that because we're in the Southwest and they figure that people don't want to eat Chicago dogs.
This all started because Anna flew out to Rhode Island. And is that why it started? Or was it because of me?
When you had your layover in Chicago, you had a Chicago dog and you were like, it's so amazing!
Yeah.
I was like,
it is in the airport. It was the Chicago dog. That was the name of the place.
I like a lot of celery salt.
And I guess I'm just the type of person that if it's something from somewhere, I'll just try it how they make it. Just to see. Do I like it? Will I like it? Will I not like it?
Because why not? You know, bean dip, why not?
Pickle.
Burritos,
Pickle spear.
pickle spear.
I didn't put my peppers on yet.
Or what yet?
Peppers.
Oh, peppers.
So since we didn't have the peppers, we got those little Tabasco peppers that you can find in the store. They're pretty hot. They're pretty good. They're not bad.
They're not as good, but
It's
I mean, they'll do.
it's some type of pepper anyway.
first world problems, right?
Totes first world problems. Alright, got my peppers. Got my salt. Celery salt.
Coke Zero. Coke Zero.
Got my pickle spear.
Got your pickle spear? Are you ready?
Got my more celery salt.
Not yet.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers.
The thing about eating a Chicago dog anywhere, it's super messy. Like,
It is messy.
if you don't have the bun to hold it up, it could all just turn to mush.
Like mine potentially might.
Oh, yours, there's no potential that's gonna happen.
Mm-mm. No, it does make a difference with the different sport peppers.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
We went grocery shopping and we forgot the hot dog buns. So we had to go to the gas station.
I thought it was a normal gas station though. Hence the 40.
Hence the drink. I got some of the weird grilled stuff that no one ever actually buys, I don't think. And this is what kicked it all off. I took a picture, but this is a chamoy dill pickle. And I had to get it. Had to be done. It looked like a Kool-Aid pickle. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those. Had to be done. And we got a hot dill. We love hot dills. We're all about the hot dill.
We are. He used to make his own dill pickles. We would buy like, what is it? The 5 gallon? Is it a 5 gallon or a 3 gallon? Like industrial size thing of pickles that you would get like at the movies or like, I don't know. It's a massive jar of pickles. And he would put cayenne?
Chili pekin.
Chili pekin.
It's just a different type of pepper.
Let them all marinate.
They come out good.
Best hot pickles ever.
And they're hot.
But you have to add salt to it because they don't become salty anymore. I'm not really tasting my tomato. Are you tasting your tomato?
No, it's like the tomato's not tomatoey.
I like the pickle in it.
Mm-hmm. I have to like hold my toppings on and I'm like cradling the whole thing as I take a bite. It's funny. I don't have any chips.
Too much salt. Ooh.
I don't have any of this either.
Yeah.
Should we dirty the fork? Dill relish spoon?
Just scoop some out with the chip.
Oh, duh. I make things so complicated, people. Seriously. Don't mind that.
We've had a really good day today.
Really good day. We broke from our usual routine. Woke up early. Went to this new place. It's on 4th. Right on 4th and Alameda.
Church?
Church. New church.
A new place? Church?
A new church. I think they've been meeting
Like,
for like 2
new.
weeks. Like new. Like they've been meeting for 2 weeks.
Like it has like brand new baby smell new.
I don't smell that.
You didn't go in the bathroom. They have a urinal in the bathroom.
Well, I can see why though.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't know. I didn't know where the bathroom was. There's a toilet seat hanging on the door to the bathroom. It's like it's like leather, and it's black with like fire on it. Fire.
It went down, down, down. The flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns.
Toilet seat of
Ring
fire.
fire.
Toilet seat of fire.
Toilet seat of fire.
It was really good though.
Pat my weave.
A weave.
I don't have a weave. Pat my weave. My head's itchy.
She rat.
It's a location that's unconventional.
Mm-hmm.
A very unconventional setting for a church. But it was good.
Does it top the funeral home? It's in contention.
So when we became believers, I grew up Catholic. You pretty much kind of grew up Catholic.
I grew up Catholic.
Excuse me. Like one of the first churches that we went to where we found our home church was in a funeral home. So the story goes, we had a lot of kids at that church, and that it was a very active funeral home, if you know what I mean. I think one day some kids just walked in on
No, really?
yes, a very tired guest that was sleeping.
Really? I never heard that.
Yeah,
Maybe I just forgot. That's a long time ago already.
that was. Tommy was what, only 3? He was a baby.
It was a baby.
Since we were down on 4th.
Should we say what it's in so they can compare it? Should we say what it's in so they can compare it?
Nah, let's let them try and guess.
That'll be the mystery.
Where do you think this church...
Like the most random, off the wall.
Trinidad, you can't guess because I think you already know.
Does he?
Yeah,
Have we told him about it?
I think so.
How does he know? Sorry, Trin.
Good church, good sermon.
It was a really good sermon.
Although it was speaking directly to me, but you know,
Well,
usually.
it seems like that always.
Always.
That's the Holy Spirit convicting you, my friend.
I suppose. So after that, we're gonna meet up with my mom.
She was busy.
Yeah, she usually goes to church with us, but anyways, we are already down on 4th Street.
You need to quit saying that.
Why?
This is not even your saying.
I don't care.
You're like, I'm a true dollar.
Um,
Anyways, hello, I'm a truck.
anyways, like I was saying, since we were down on 4th, we decided to go to Farm and Table.
First time, we'd never been there. We've been
fancy.
We've been wanting to go.
We have been wanting to go for quite some time.
They have a farm. They have like
And a table.
2 acres.
Get it? A farm.
Stop it.
And a table.
I'm talking. They have 2 acres, and then they did this restaurant. It's really good. I recommend people check it out.
Oh yeah.
Like,
It's totally chill.
we'll film a video there so you guys can see it for yourselves.
If we can.
No, we will. I just said we would.
Okay, we will.
It's a promise. We're people of our word.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Just looking. There's no. Look at the flowers over here.
Can you grab the flowers?
They had a special of the day. It was what was it now? Shoe Shack.
And there's some tomatoes. You take the pickle off.
Do you?
Mhm.
Well, I run down a pickle, so I'll taste it. Shakshuka? That's what it is. Shakshuka. It was like a tomato stew, and they poached 2 eggs in it.
How dare they?
In the tomato stew, and then there was potatoes. So it was the tomatoes and whatever spices in the stew, on top of a little bit of potatoes and the 2 poached eggs, and feta. It was delicious. It was really good. You liked it, don't?
Mine was way better though.
Yours was amazing. Like, she just got enchiladas with eggs over medium, but they were to die for. Like, every bite was the perfect bite, and there wasn't even meat in it. There was.
Can you imagine?
Could you imagine? No meat.
Did you drink all my soda?
It's our soda, and we have refillable. And you ruined my thing, look. What's wrong with you?
Oh, excuse me. That was good. And then we spent an hour in Walmart riding bikes. Like, not even joking.
Like, seriously. Do you want this or do you just want the later?
That one's fine.
Literally, we decided we were going to get bikes. She decided. And
Let your doggy in.
I had to keep pulling down bikes from like the second story. Like there's the first level, then there's the second. I had to keep lifting these heavy bikes up and down
I was lifting too.
and putting them back. I did most of it.
I helped.
You did help.
I am woman, hear me roar.
She thinks she's Shira, even though she had a car accident this week and her back is messed up.
I am Shira.
I didn't say you weren't. I said you thought you were. So we got gas station food also. We got desserts. You'll see in the
Ooh, excuse me.
I took a couple pictures where it shows everything. We got the weird pickle. We got the regular hot pickle. And then I've always wanted to get these. It's a buffalo chicken and a chipotle cheddar.
It's just funny, like the things that you like deny yourself. You're like, man, I really want one of these.
It's $1.50. You can't go into the gas station every time and just spend money like that. You can't do it. So I've always wanted the buffalo chicken one. Someone always brings them to work, I think. That's why I've always wanted to try it.
Was it Joe?
No.
Here it goes.
It's terrible.
Now let me try.
It's been roasting for probably 2 days. Confirmed. This is confirmation.
All right,
Okay, yeah, it's not good.
throw it away.
Chipotle cheddar. Let's see.
Pick it up.
It tastes like barbecue. It doesn't taste like rancid or anything like the other one.
Oh, give me some water.
And the confirmation.
It's like a cigar, huh? See? Mm.
It's actually good. It's hot after.
It's so dry.
Oh, really dry.
Let me try.
I warned you about that though. I've gotten stuff from there before.
Oh, what?
I think your dad might want it.
And it's always just dry. Like they don't put times. They should put a time when it was on, when it was ready. Anyways. Yeah, so we did all on the table. Mind-blowingly good.
Oh, we got that.
Fishing?
No, coffee cake.
Oh my gosh. They said it was a coffee cake / bread pudding. Was
So
it good?
good.
Was it good?
It was really good. I think you liked it a little bit more than me, but it was good.
It was good with the warm drink.
Yeah, it was good with coffee. I had coffee. Our son got chocolate milk, hot chocolate. Oh, whatever you do not try the biscuits and gravy.
No, biscuits and gravy. Our son ordered that. He did not like it. We didn't like it.
We didn't like it. I think the mistake we made is that we should have asked them.
What kids order? There was no kids menu.
There's no kids menu. Like, it was bougie.
So you already know that that's going to be an issue. We
Right.
should have just got him an egg on the side and some potatoes or something.
Something.
Or beans.
That certainly would have been a lot cheaper than his very expensive biscuits and gravy. But it was just a really nice environment and a really good energy.
They were slammed. They were so packed.
Like, there's a little shop next door and just some really cute little knickknacks and like gifts. I got something from my mom. I don't know, it was really neat. I really liked it. It's like an old house.
No, it used to be an old,
Farmhouse?
no, coach? Like a coach stop or something? Carriage? Something like that.
It would have been hot. We walked around.
Our camera quit recording, so if I think the frame moved a little because I hit it.
If, you know,
We sat on the patio. It was beautiful, but we did have to have our jackets on. And we walked through the farm too, which was there's this herd of wild turkeys. Like 6 turkeys on their farm, and it went through the parking lot, and we're like,
yeah, when we first drove up.
when we walked the farm after, they're just like a herd of wild turkeys rolling around
I'm a
eating.
little afraid of
eating
just
stuff.
chilling.
Yeah, just chilling
Yes.
in the farm.
Just chilling.
So we both like chamoy.
I don't think I like chamoy. I think he thinks I like chamoy. I don't think that I do.
You do.
We're gonna find out, I guess.
Anytime like the ice cream guy rolls around our neighborhood, they have just a chamoy popsicle that I get. It's good. So I'm thinking the pickle's gonna be good.
I'm not done.
Do you want me to cut it in half?
No.
Do you want me to take a bite of it? Anyways, it was really good. What else? Let's keep on topic here.
Riding the bikes in Walmart was hysterical.
It was. The one I ended up liking is like, how would you describe it?
A mountain bike?
No, I didn't like the mountain bikes.
Oh.
It's like the road one with the skinniest tire. That thing was like, and like your Lance Armstrong.
Mm-hmm. Like a Tour de France?
Yeah. So I don't know. It just like I just rode it around like a few blocks, a few aisles, and it's just like Linky. It's just like you're floating. I didn't have to brake. Like I just floated through the turn. I loved it. I'm gonna get it.
Mm-hmm.
She wants to get a bike all of a sudden, so that's what prompted her exercise. That's what probably said. A little bit of exercise.
Mm-hmm.
Too short
Well, they're good.
with our kid.
You can go riding.
We're gonna ride as a family apparently.
No.
Ew. What else?
I feel like I'm having difficulty eating.
I'm sorry.
No, thank you.
Dude, no farting on our video.
What?
I heard your butt tooting.
What's that?
What else? Walmart, bikes.
I've been wanting a Bloody Mary for 2 weeks and I bought some Bloody Mary mix.
We almost they had was it a Bosque? Bosque Brewing Company lager with Bloody Mary mix. And what else? A slice of bacon.
Bacon.
Big pickle.
Pickle.
What else? Is that it? Is it
Bloody Mary
michelada?
mix.
Or a red beer. People call them lots of different things.
Red beer.
Red beer.
The sun. No, wait. How does that go? The wheel. Frosty.
Red? Red dog.
Red dog.
It was just michelada. It was a red beer. And we saw one pass by. It was like a thick strip of bacon across the top of the cup.
Really,
Yeah.
I just wanted to go after the bacon, I think.
I think that's what it was. It looked good. Everything that we saw anyone else eating looked amazing.
I want to get the tacos next time.
Oh, breakfast tacos. She almost ordered that.
But we
And I was
ran
gonna get the
into-
Eggs Benedict, but they had that special.
We ran into one of our friends, my boss, in the gift shop, and she recommended the enchiladas.
And the Eggs Benedict. And the sweetbread pastry.
Mm-hmm. So that's what we got.
That's what we did. Check it out.
Yummy.
Brunch.
Brunch.
Brunch-tastic.
Yeah. They have a dinner menu. They serve dinner.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that should be good.
But you'd
Bet
be
you'd be
expensive.
Jinx. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, open it up, kid.
First, the smell.
Hard pass.
Smell it.
I don't need
You
to
have
smell.
to.
Oh,
I'm just gonna take a little drink. Oh. That's gonna be good.
you know how like in the middle of the night, or like you might catch somebody that's in front of the fridge and they're like maybe taking a drink of milk or orange juice, or neither of which we carry in our fridge.
What are you talking about?
I'll look over and he is in front of the fridge and he is drinking pickle juice. He just untwists the lid, takes the jar, and is like,
I like pickle. I like it.
we like pickles.
And
I don't want the pickle juice, thank you.
no drink test for her. Step 3. The taste test.
Oh, you're not gonna cut it?
We can if you want. I'm just getting it out. Saving the juice. Anytime it's a pickle in a pouch, guess what I do? I save that juice because I am gonna drink it at some point.
When Eric used to make pickles, here you can put it on here. When Eric used to make pickles, he would make pickle juice. I mean, popsicles out of the pickle juice.
Pickle juice popsicles too. Those are also good.
Those are so good. Just feels
Really?
fun. I don't like the way it smells. See through.
Dad told me when you open the nerve broke.
The what?
The nerve broke.
So I'll try to show the camera this thing.
It tastes like you licked the inside of a drawer.
This is how it looks. It looks like orangier on the camera, but it's not orangey. It's more pinky. Almost looks like a cooked beet.
Dad, what is that?
It tastes like chamoy.
I don't like chamoy.
It's salty. Is it salty?
I don't like that taste. Tastes like turpentine.
No, it doesn't.
Tastes like the smell of turpentine.
No, it doesn't. Let me get this one for her so she can stop the madness here.
What brand are these?
Mrs. Klein's? I've never. They're naturally fermented. This seems jalapeno-y. I'm gonna enjoy this chamoy pickle.
Made my nose run.
It's kind of spicy. Very salty. Why are you cutting the end off like that?
I don't know. It's like a fine wine. Fine cheese. It's different. Oh, I don't like it.
Maybe because it's naturally fermented? It says probiotic on the back.
Shut the front door.
Yeah. That's why. That's the flavor you're not liking.
Cucumber, obviously. A preservative. Alum. What does alum do?
It's like a puckering.
Chili.
That one
Dill.
tastes a little funky to me.
Yeah. I don't like it. Not my cup of tea.
I don't know where you would ever find this. If you, she got the big hunk.
Big hunk. Big hunk.
You already had one. Now she's got two big hunks. And nerd soap.
Low fat and gluten free. Are you gonna eat yours?
No, I'm just gonna keep. No.
You're. See, this is why he's skinny and I'm not. He's satisfied with the pickle.
This thing is salty though. It's
I
almost
mean,
too salty.
ooh, pickle.
Don't break your teeth there, kid.
I'm trying not to. Tastes like childhood.
We're supposed to go to Crepe Crepe today.
Oh, arm and table, totally.
I mean, it was.
Took us by surprise.
It took us. That's for sure. Took our wallet too. Just kidding.
We were there for a really long time.
Mm-hmm. We enjoyed it.
It was
We
nice.
took our time and enjoyed it.
A nice Sunday
Brunch.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about the brunch.
brunch.
I didn't have any champagne though. I mean, that's what was missing.
Yeah, really a Bloody Mary was what was missing.
Well, you can have your Bloody Mary now. I'll make you one.
Oh, you're sweet. You're shy. Well, we don't have any bacon. Use a hot dog as a stir.
No, we have bacon. I'll cook a strip of bacon up.
No, that's way too much. I'm actually really full.
I'm full too.
I don't know if I could drink a Bloody Mary.
Bloody.
A bloody.
I might as well snap into my cherry mash.
Top it off. It's been a long week, a long day. It usually always is.
Usually Sundays are a long day. Because Anna works on Saturdays, so
Like
it's
all day.
Really all week. This is our one day together.
It's our only day together.
And Monday.
Well, I mean, even still, you go to work, so I have to wait.
to go to work Monday, but you don't have to wait that long because I go to work at the Dawn of creation. I feel like following up chamoy pickle with cherry mash is a bad idea.
I also think that's a bad idea. How is it? I guess it's not that bad of an idea. Is this the one with the cherry in the middle? No, that's the big cherry.
That's big cherry.
This is like the authentic version of the cheap ones you always get. What is it? The Bing?
Bing? Yeah.
Bing.
The only reason I get those Bings is because it's two. It's like 2 for 80 cents or something. And we're a smaller portion. But they're never fresh.
That is sweet.
That is sweet.
Woo!
How much carbs do you think it has?
28. More? Oh.
39.
Oh, okay.
Well, 38. It's got 1 gram of fiber.
I don't think it counts.
Sure, why not?
Well, that is incredibly sweet. No thanks. Alright, so let's wrap it up. What are we going to do next video? I guess the noodles.
Noodles, because we already have them. They've been sitting there.
Oh, where's the fly?
It went in.
Um.
Thanks for watching, as always. Thanks for supporting us.